Alright, this screencast is going to show you how to manage your Google Docs file list. So there's the key way to manage your files is to put them in collections. And think of this as folders, directories, depending upon the words you use it on your Mac or your PC. But they're all, of course, in the cloud. So they're not on your computer at all. They're up on the internet in your Google Docs list. So I have collections over here. My collections are over here. Here are collections shared with me. So these are collections that other people have shared with me. We'll get into that later. But here you can see what I have. Now I want to create a new one. So I'm going to go create new, and I'm going to go to collection, and it will let you name it. And I'm just going to go practice, hit OK. And there is my new collection, practice, which is they're put here alphabetically, so it's up there. Even though it's P, it's right after AP World there. And then I'm going to put some things in it. So I'm going to take a couple items here. I'm going to do my AP redesign ideas, put that in practice. I'm going to take the staff survey questions. If you notice, I'm just dragging them into practice. Now you can also select multiple ones. So here I'm going to select a couple of them. I'm going to click on them, and then I'm going to click one and drag them over, and you'll notice it says 3 items. Throw it into practice, and now you may have noticed that as I pulled things into practice, a little tag got put on each one of them. So those tags let you know here in the home that they belong in this particular folder. Now if we were to go over to practice here, look at here, you have all 5 of those files that are right there. Now I have them nicely filed away. I want to now get rid of them, not get rid of them, but make it so I can't see them here in my home listing. All right, so here is all the ones that are not filed away or not filed away, but they're in home. I can select each of these, click the little click box, and I can say don't show in home. I click that. They disappear from here, but they have not disappeared. They're right there. If I wanted to bring them back, I could actually click on them holding down the command or control key, depending upon your platform, and now I can go show in home. And so they're still here, but they're also in my home as well. So those have jumped back, or they should have. Sometimes it takes a second for it to sync. As I reload, there they are, they're back. They have the practice here, so they're in both places. You can also put them in different places, or multiple places, I should say. So you can have it in your my practice folder. I could also throw this in my sample folder. So now it is all of a sudden in both of them. And if I were to go to the practice folder, click on that, give it a second register, it will let me know that it is in another collection or folder as well. So you are able to have them in multiple places. Alright, so that is your document themselves. One last quick thing is you can actually have folders within collections, and you just simply drag those and then they can be moved into other collections. So you have a little bit added organizational abilities there. Alright, thank you very much.